For families in Anthem, Arizona, home security is more than just a precaution, it's peace of mind. From protecting loved ones to safeguarding valuables, every homeowner wants to feel confident that their home is secure. While many people focus on alarm systems and cameras, one of the most effective ways to improve security starts with something simple: your doors. Old, worn, or improperly installed doors can create weak points that intruders exploit easily. Upgrading to high-quality replacement doors not only strengthens your home's first line of defense but also adds comfort, efficiency, and value. Here's how proper door replacement plays a vital role in enhancing home security for Anthem residents. Strength starts with stronger materials. The material of your door has a direct impact on how well it protects your home. Many older homes in Anthem were built with hollow core or lightweight doors, which offer minimal resistance to forced entry. Replacing these with solid, durable materials can make a world of difference. Steel doors are among the strongest and most secure options available. Their heavy-duty construction resists dents, warping, and impact, making them difficult to break through. Modern steel doors also include foam insulation for energy efficiency, perfect for Anthem's desert climate. Fiberglass doors provide another excellent option. They're highly durable, weather-resistant, and less prone to cracking or fading under Arizona's intense sun. Many fiberglass doors also feature reinforced cores and steel frames for added strength. Solid wood or composite doors offer classic beauty with the benefit of density and weight, providing a natural layer of protection. By choosing a sturdy material, you ensure your entryway is a true barrier against unwanted intrusion. Reinforced frames and hardware make a big difference. Even the strongest door can fail if it's paired with a weak frame or hardware. Professional door replacement services in Anthem include upgrading the frame and locks to improve structural integrity. New replacement doors often feature reinforced frames designed to resist kick-ins or prying attempts, heavy-duty hinges secured with long screws that anchor deep into the wall, stud strike plates, and multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame. These small upgrades add up to a major boost in home security, and they work seamlessly with existing alarm or smart lock systems. Improved fit, fewer weak spots. Over time, older doors can warp, crack, or shift, creating gaps that make your home less secure. Poorly fitted doors can allow easy access or even make it simpler for burglars to use tools to force entry. A professional door replacement ensures a precise fit that eliminates gaps and weak points. Properly installed doors close tightly against the frame, improving not just security but also energy efficiency, keeping your home cooler during Anthem's hot summers and warmer on cool desert nights. Modern security features for peace of mind. Today's replacement doors come with built-in features that make protecting your home easier than ever. Anthem homeowners can now choose doors with smart locks that integrate with home security systems for remote access and monitoring, impact-resistant glass inserts that look stylish while preventing breakage, keyless entry systems to eliminate lost or stolen keys, hidden hinges that deter tampering. These innovations add layers of protection and convenience, allowing you to control who enters your home and when, all from your smartphone if desired. Security that enhances curb appeal. A secure home doesn't have to sacrifice style. Modern door designs offer beauty and protection in one package. Whether you prefer a sleek fiberglass entry door, a bold steel design, or a decorative glass insert with reinforced glazing, today's options let you customize security without compromising aesthetics. An upgraded entryway not only deters potential intruders but also boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value, a win-win for Anthem homeowners. Final thoughts: replacing your doors is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Anthem home's safety and value. A new, well-built door with strong materials, reinforced hardware, and professional installation provides peace of mind that no alarm system alone can match. With the right combination of durability, technology, and expert craftsmanship, door replacement enhances both your home's security and its comfort, keeping your family safe while adding lasting value to your property. If you're ready to make your Anthem home safer and more stylish, a professional door replacement is the perfect place to start.